What's up, Film Jammers? We took the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone all the way up to the Arctic Circle to the mystical land of Lofoten to find out one of life's most important questions. What if Middle-earth had a baby with Uranus, the planet? If you've ever wondered if the Mavic 4 Pro lives up to the hype, you're about to find out. And don't disappear after the film. I'll share a few tips from the trip, and we'll be teasing some new drone videos. Castles in Denmark, you say? Ooh, but first, Norway. Film. Yes. Okay, we hope you enjoyed checking out what the Mavic 4 Pro can do. I had a blast filming over in Norway, and here's a few tips if you do go. It rains a lot in Norway, so bring a towel to wipe down your drone. It's often drizzling or at least moist in the air, so be prepared. When the weather is finally nice, be ready to film. We only had about 2 good filming days out of 10 days in Norway, and my wife's birthday was one of those days, so we had to rearrange our plans. So if you really want those magic shots, be prepared to strike hard and deep when the weather's good. Make sure to bring extra batteries and ND filters. I didn't, and I wish I did. It's daylight for almost 20 hours in Norway, so you can film all day, as long as it's not raining, and sunsets at 11 p.m. So get those sunsets. I'm not a morning person, so that was pretty nice. All right, people of the world, make sure to tickle that subscribe button so you can check out more mystical drone footage. We've got Castles of Norway coming soon, and our full review of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone.